Hello guys, welcome back to another video. First of all, I would like to say a huge thank you who has supported and subscribed my channel. I have just reached a huge milestone, 1000k subscribers. It's a huge deal for me. I really appreciate you guys. But now I have another milestone and it's quite tough one. I need to reach 4,000 watch hours, so please, if you can, watch my videos, share my videos. It would mean a world to me. So today I want to talk about the reality of being a YouTuber, a new YouTuber. But before we start to talk about this, I would like to get some fresh air. Let's go out. So let's start with the challenge, doing it all. Every video takes hours. Planning, scripting, thumbnail designing, editing, re-editing. And the truth is you have to do it everything yourself. I have to write descriptions, have to find and use the right tags. I have to design thumbnails and manage everything behind the scenes. And trust me, this gets sometimes really exhausting. You see, often bigger YouTubers, they have their own teams. They have editors, they have script writers, thumbnail designers, people who do the research. They also have all resources, music subscriptions, premium overlays and effects, so they can make their videos look really and very professional. And of course they have funds to invest in whatever they need. For someone like us who just starting out, it's just you, your camera and your determination. Another challenge is a limited equipment. And then there is equipment. And when you are new, you might not have the best camera, lighting or mic. Sure, having a great gear definitely helps to make more professional videos. But that should not you hold back. Just start with whatever you have. Phone or simple camera and build it up from there. The most important thing is to create and be creative. Overcoming awkwardness. That was actually quite big for me. Another thing that it was really challenging, at least for me personally, pressing that rec button and talk in front of the camera. At the beginning, it was so awkward for me to sit in front of the camera. It was really uncomfortable. Even now, I'm not 100% me, but I get it. It takes time. It's a process. And with every video, I'm learning to get there. One of the biggest obstacles that I have faced is overthinking. Sometimes I will have an idea, but I will start second guessing everything. Is this good enough? Is people gonna like this? Or should I shoot that or this? Should I change that to this? Yeah, and before I know it, I have talked myself out of making this video at all. I mean, yes, it is important to make high quality content, but better is done than perfect. With every video, you're gonna go step forward. You will learn more by creating it than holding it back. Building an audience from scratch. The truth is, it's really hard to gather an audience at the start. You put your heart, you put your hard work into your video. You upload it, and most of the time, you will barely have any views. That's how you start. That's the start. That's the process. But here is the thing. Every video teaches you something. With each upload, you will learn. You get a bit better at editing. You will get a little more confident in front of the camera. And little by little, you will start to build your own style. So that's probably my last challenge, and this is probably the toughest until now. It's the balancing life and YouTube. So balancing life and YouTube is actually really tough until now. I have family, 2 kids, dog, full-time job and, you know, jumping around between all of this, and still while you have to do content creation like YouTube, that can get really overwhelming. There are many nights when I'm up late and editing. There are almost all weekends that I'm using my spare time for content creation for YouTube. And also I have to make sure I spend quality time with my family. And of course there's a full-time job, which I really love it. Nah, I hate it, but it takes actually most of the time and most of the energy. And trust me, there are so many times, so many days that I feel like it's not enough hours. It can be really hard to balance everything. By doing all that stuff, I learned to plan better, to set realistic goals, and kind of accept that I cannot do everything. Support of my family helps me a lot too, and I really appreciate them for that. So yeah, these are my personal experiences of being a YouTuber, a new YouTuber. So let me know in the comments what you have experienced, and maybe you want to add something more. If you want to discuss about something, just throw in the comments, just comment it, and we try to talk about it. But it's pretty tough. This being YouTuber is not easy, especially at the start, that is for sure. And someone who is starting just out, what can I say? Don't let the challenges stop you. If you love the thing, if you love the YouTube like I do, if you love the cameras, love the photography, or whatever your passion is about, or whatever you are passionate about, if you love it, just keep doing. Don't let the challenges stop you. And remember, you don't need the best gear, the best cameras in the world to make content. Use what you have, be creative, and all will be good. It's about showing up, learning, and improving with every video. Every small step matters. So here you go, guys. That's all from me. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, subscribe. I appreciate, and see you in the next one. Bye.